What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the wireless charging not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to confirm, and after restarting your phone the wireless charging will start working properly. But if you're still facing the issue after restarting your phone, then enable the wireless fast charging. So to do this, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on battery, and then scroll down and click on charging settings. Now here you will see a fast charging button. So turn on this fast wireless charging button, and after turning on this button, fast charging will start working properly. But after enabling this feature, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is check for software updates. So to check for updates, open settings, scroll down and click on software update, and then click on download and install. Now from here update your mobile software to latest version, and after updating your mobile software to latest version, the wireless charging will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.